Hey guys, my name is LilLady, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious seafood boil. This is so much cheaper than in any kind of seafood restaurant. Alright, so you're going to need some raw shrimp, some snow crab, or any kind of crab you want, some corn and potatoes, and don't forget the sausages. So first we're going to boil the corn and the potatoes until they're nice and soft. I boil these with mostly salt and maybe a little bit of Cajun seasoning. And I'll do the same with the potatoes. We put some olive oil in here and 2 cloves of garlic. And now we're going to put in the potatoes and the corn. Get those potatoes out on your plate and cut them in half. We used about 4 or 5 whole garlics for this recipe, so you're gonna need a lot. Chop up your sausages and prepare them to boil. To make the shrimp, we're gonna put olive oil in here, and then some garlic and some Cajun seasoning, and cook it till it turns orange. Look at those, starting to get nice and orange. We put everything together, just put more Cajun seasoning to your liking and oil. Just stick everything in the oven to keep it warm. This is gonna be the crab water. We're gonna just boil it with some dill weed, some Cajun seasoning, and salt. And I'm making a butter sauce right now with some olive oil and butter and Cajun seasoning. Now look at that garlic sauce. Taste it to your liking. Careful not to burn yourself when you put that crab in. You can boil your crab or you can steam it for about 5 minutes. Once it's ready, just take it out and put it on your serving plate or whatever that is I'm using. Look at that deliciousness. You can never go wrong with getting some Coca-Cola for this recipe. Look at my plate. Okay, so first we're going to try the shrimp. Here it is. That shrimp is so good. Let's crack open our can of Coca-Cola. I got my butter sauce in here. Here's a potato. That sauce is amazing. Let's try the sausage. This is the best thing ever. I don't have any crab equipment, but I have this fork. So what I'm gonna do is slip this here and just cut away. I'm gonna try another leg. Dip that in the butter. It's so delicate. It's so good. Alright guys, so that's how you make the best seafood boil ever. Ever. You could change the recipe, tweak it a little bit to your liking, but that's ultimately how you make it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. And if you have a seafood boil, comment down below and tell me if it was good or not. Alright guys, have a good day.